Namaste, I am Dr. Chetali Samant. I am a senior Ayurveda consultant in the pediatric department of Ramaiah Ayurveda. So we had posted a video regarding adenoids and its treatment in Ayurveda for children. So as you know, adenoids is a lymphoid tissue or an immune system related tissue, just like how we have tonsils in the posterior part of our nose, nasal cavity. It is present naturally in children till about 7 years of age, after which it shrinks and it is completely gone by the time they are in teenage. So in some children, the adenoids can grow really large and create obstruction for their airways or nasal passages, because of which they can find it difficult to breathe. You can see that the child is constantly breathing through the mouth. Then there is snoring at night, which is another very common symptom. It can even cause change of their facial structure because of chronic mouth breathing, which we called as adenoid faces, in which there is protrusion of the teeth and the maxillary bone. It can cause recurrent ear infections, recurrent sinusitis, speech related issues, sometimes even hearing loss in children. And now we are observing that even attention deficit can be triggered because of enlarged adenoids in children. Now many patients commonly ask us, if the doctor recommends surgery for the adenoids, is it really required, and is there a way we can treat it in Ayurveda? So there are certain indications in which surgery may be the only way. For example, if the adenoids are way overgrown and if it is causing major obstruction in the breathing and no amount of treatment, whether Ayurveda or allopathy, is resolving the issue, then definitely it means that the child needs to undergo surgery. If the enlarged adenoids are interfering with the learning process of the child, they are interfering with attention and concentration, then also sometimes, and of course along with the respiratory issues, recurrent ear infections, hearing loss, hearing related issues in children, then also the surgery may be indicated. Apart from these issues, because it's a gland which shrinks and disappears after the age of 7 years, a conservative treatment with Ayurveda is a very, very good option at that point. The treatment should be very targeted and should focus on not only reducing the symptoms that the child is facing, for example, the breathing difficulty the child may be facing, or any sleep apnea like symptoms, that is decline in oxygen levels at night because of the child's inability to breathe due to the enlarged adenoids. Then recurrent ear infections, snoring, attention related issues. All these issues, if we are successfully able to target with our Ayurveda treatment, then it's a successful treatment and we can continue with the treatment, thus avoiding surgery. So one is the symptomatic treatment. Second is treatment which is targeted towards preventing the adenoids from getting irritated and swollen again and again and bothering, especially in children between the age of 3 to 5 years. So that also can be achieved with Ayurveda. So many medicines in Ayurveda which we typically give in children and are safe to be given in children help in reducing the inflammation that organs such as adenoids and tonsils face. So this kind of targeted treatment not only helps in quick reduction of the symptoms. It's not like the treatment will extend for months and months together without seeing any considerable results. No, a successful and a well-planned Ayurveda treatment of adenoids should show results anywhere between 10 to 15 days. So you should see a considerable reduction in symptoms within a very short period of time, followed by treatments which are given for boosting immunity. As it's an immune system related gland, we have to pay attention to immunity as well. Paying attention to the diet of the child so that none of the foods which the child is taking on regular basis are irritating adenoids or tonsils or depressing the immune system or making it dysfunctions. So when we are very organized with our treatment and the treatment is well planned, Ayurveda is an excellent conservative option for any children who are suffering from growth of adenoids. We can successfully avoid surgery provided the treatment is well planned.